Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what I don't really like about the Takagi Mortise and Tenon marking gauge. As you can see, the height of the knife is not the same. There is a slight gap. See? So the upper knife doesn't touch the wood. I can give a little press and make a scribe there. So now see, there's only one scribe there. Let me try again. See? No scribe here. Should be a scribe here. So maybe I should cut the lower knife, but that's going to be a lot of work. I'm gonna try again. Not good. So apparently this device will gonna be only a single scribe marking gauge. Maybe I will never use the lower gauge. So it's going to be just like this. So what do you think, guys, about this product?